관리번호 1번입니다. 수업 시간을 시작하겠습니다. Okay, class, let's start today's reading activity. Before that, students, can you let me know the unit title again? What is it? Good. Small actions for what? Thank you, everyone. Our Earth. So, what are we doing in this unit? Yes, Chohyun, we are thinking about some ways to save our Earth. Yes, and now, class, let's turn to the page 71. Page 71. Are we on the same page now? Good. Class, if you look at the page, can you find the title of today's reading? Good. What is it? Thank you, Hyunyoung. Let's read them out together. What is it? Great. Let's recycle properly. So, before we start reading, let's talk about this title. So, here's my question, everyone. How let's recycle properly? How could let's recycle properly be related to small actions for our Earth? Any guesses or tries? Minjae, do you want to try? Yes, go ahead, Minjae. Okay. Wow, thank you, Minjae. You said recycling can save our Earth. Why was it, Minjae? Because recycle reduces the trashes. Good guess, Minjae. Yes, like Minjae said, recycling is one of the small actions for our Earth. So, can you guess what will the passage be about? Good, about the recycling. Then, now let's start today's reading. And as always, do you remember what we do first when we read the passage? Yes, Hyunyoung, you will find the main ideas. And Hyunyoung, what is the main idea? We are talking about this a lot, right? The most important part of the reading material. That's good one, Hyunyoung. Now, you will read the passage individually and we will find the main idea. Oh, it sounds a little difficult, Chohyun. In that case, don't worry about it because your teacher has prepared a question to help you find the main idea. So listen carefully. My question. If you find the answer for this, you will find the main idea. So here is the question. Listen carefully. To make our class eco-friendly, what should we do? Again. Okay, who wanna do? Okay, Choyeon, what was it? Go ahead. Yes, to make our class eco-friendly, what should we do? That is the question to find main idea. So, what should we do? So, in 3 minutes, try to find the answer for this question, okay? Are you ready? Yes, you're ready to read the passage and start. Now, time's up, class. Did you find the answer? Who wants to try? Namju, do you want to try? Yes, please, be my guest. What was your answer? Wow, where did you get that idea? In the first paragraph, what is it? Yes, to make our class eco-friendly, we need some proper ways to, go ahead, recycle, we need to know some ways to recycle. Good one, Namju. So this could be the main idea. Everybody? Yes, good. So this passage is about right ways to recycle. Right? Okay. But before we move on to the next activity, I figured it out that you want to learn some new words in the passage. So what word was difficult for you? Just let me know. Let's learn new words now. Okay, I can hear you saying, alright, thank you. Remove. Anything else? Okay, I can hear you stained. Okay, that is a good word to learn. Anything else? Right. Recyclable. Recyclable. Okay, let's learn these words first. Okay, first, let's remove. So, as always, I will show you some action, my mind, and you will have a guess. Okay? Now, I make some mess here. And let me remove it. I am removing my mess. So, let's guess the meaning of remove. Can anybody guess? Right, Daniel? Go ahead. I erased it, right? So, okay, erase, that's a good guess. Like Dayan said, remove is similar word with erase. And, yes, Minje, make disappear. That's good one, Minje. Like Minje and Dan said, remove is make something disappear, like erasing something. Now we got the meaning of the remove, and we checked all three words. Now, as the main idea said, there is a right way to recycle. Do you remember some specific ways in the reading passage? Yes, there was a rinsing, and what else? Mixing. Right. Let's find it out correctly. Let's find them out. Okay. So turn to the next page, page 72, and in page 72, what can you find, class? On the left side first. Yes, Sujang, it says problems. What about the right column? Okay, good. It says solutions. And the title was proper way to recycle. Good. Now, can you guess what we will do? Right, everyone, we will find problems about recycling and then the suggested solutions. Okay, so we will work in pair. You will read the passage again and try to find the answer. We will have 5 minutes for this activity. Okay, how long? 5 minutes. And are you ready? You can discuss each other. You should discuss each other, okay? Ready? And start. Right? And then Tae, you're doing fine. Okay, Choyeon, Hyunyeong. Let me see. Oh, Choyeon, you find the first one. What about the last one? I think you can tell this to Hyunyeong. And I guess Hyunyeong find the last one. So why don't you just try to share each other? Can you do this? Good, go ahead. Okay, I saw you. Very good. Okay, almost close, everyone. Now, time's up, everyone. Eyes to the front. Let's check the answers together. So, who wanna do the first problem and solution? Tae and Minjae, you would do. Yes, and what about the second one? Hyunyeong and Choyeon's pair, and Minjik and Minshin, I want you to do the last part, okay? So, the pairs, please come to the front and grab your pen and write the answer. And feel free to tell them what to do. Yes, the first one, the last one, okay. Now, everybody, thank you. Please go back to your seats and let's check the answer together. What is the first problem for our recycling? Oh, it was not rinsing. Yes, they write correctly, right? Thank you, everyone. And let's go to the last one. What is the last solution? Do not, okay? Yes, it says do not mix. Right, like this, we all checked. Proper ways to recycling. Good. Now, based on that, let's move on to our speaking activity. By the way, class, if you, by the way, class, aren't you curious about your recycling habits? Are you recycling correctly in this classroom? Let me see. Maybe yes, I can see it in the trash bins over here. Now, but do you want to know how actually you are recycling? Yes, then let's have a survey activity. And for this, I will give you the worksheets. Please pass them around and make sure all of you got the worksheets. Did you get the worksheet now? Yes. And if you look at the worksheet, can you guess what we will do? No? Alright, then let me give you a hint. I just need a volunteer to help me out. Who would do it? Oh, be my guest, Youngin. Thank you, Youngin. You are the volunteer. So, you and I will have interview, okay? And Youngin will interview me. Yes, Youngin, look at the material 3 and use the first question and ask me. Okay? Do you rinse off the trash before you recycle it? Thank you, Youngin. And here's my answer. Maybe I think I rinse it 7 out of 10 times, but sometimes I forget to do it. So, now, how often do I rinse my trashes? Can you guess? Where do we check? Always? No, I forget sometimes. Often, seldom, never. Which one? Yes, correct. You can check often. This is how you do an interview with your friends, okay? And with this, you will find how you will do the survey for our recycling habit, okay? But just before that, can you find the blank below? Yes, you do. And what would you do with it? Great, as always, Hyunyoung, you will make a question your own, right? Let's have only 30 seconds and try to make a good question, okay? Go ahead. And time's up. Just let me check only one question. Who would you share your questions? Minjae, what is it? Do you? Wow, that's a brilliant question, Minjae. Minjae says, do you remove the clips out of paper when you recycle? Wow, I didn't think about it. Thank you, Minjae. Like that, have you got your questions? Good. Now, we will have a survey activity. But how many friends do you want to survey? Or 24? I wish I would like to do it, but considering only 10 minutes, a little less. Yes, let's fix 7 friends. We will meet 7 friends and do a survey, okay? And are you ready? Just stand up and meet 7 friends and have an interview, okay? Good. Go. Let me see. Okay, Gain. Oh, you cannot find the friends? Okay. Who will do with Gain? Oh, Gayon and Gain. You can do it. And let me see. Oh, just keep going. You're doing fine. Okay. Oh, you want to do with me? Okay, you can interview me. Do I rinse the cans? You know what? To tell the truth, I never do it so far because I didn't know it. And I can ask you, do you rinse the cans? Always? Really? Is it true? Wow, I should learn from you. Thank you, Hyunju. Now, bye-bye and meet another friend. Yes, you're doing fine. And very close, everyone. In 3, 2, 1, stop. Eyes to the front. Let's check the results. Survey results. So how many nevers for the first one? That many? 7, 5, 4. Thank you. Yes, like that, we all checked our survey results. Now, before we move on to our next activity, just let me give you some feedbacks that might be helpful for you, okay? First of all, during the exercise, during the activity, I have noticed some of you are confusing these two. What was it? Never versus yes, seldom. Can you tell the difference between these two? A little difficult? Let me explain that. If I use never, it means this way. If I rinse cans 0 times, I say I never rinse. But if I do like 1 or 2 times out of 10, but I don't do it very much, but I do it sometimes, then you can use seldom. So can you tell the difference? Nothing, very few times. Okay, good. And one more thing, I have noticed this. I do never recycle. In this expression, how can we fix this? I rinse never cans. How can we correct this one? Yes, Tae, the grammar master. Can you try? Yes, teach us, please. Oh, move this one to over here. Thank you, Tae. Why is it? Oh, you use the expression for how often you do between yes, I and rinse. That's the correct way. I guess so. Thank you, Tae. Everybody, can you understand how to use the expression like never? Good. Okay. Now we check our survey results. What is the most serious recycling habit problem? What is the most serious problem between us? Rinsing or mixing, a little differences, but there are some things are doing well, doing fine. For something we are doing fine, for others there are some problems, right? So what should we do? To think about it, we will have a writing activity. As for today's writing, we will think about our recycling problem and make some solutions. But considering the difficulties, we will have a group activity. Okay? So make a group of 4 with nearby friends. So 초연, 현영, 가연, 남주, you will make a group of 4. 승정, 아름, 수정, 민재, you will make group 4. Over there, 재원, yes, you 4. Good. Now we are in groups, and here is the materials for today's reading. Yes, please pass them around. Okay, now if you see the material 4, can you guess what should we do? Is it a little difficult? Yes, in that case, let me show you my own example. Okay, so please look at the screen, please. Yes. In here, what is title? Yes, suggestions for our recycling. And before I wrote this, I did a survey like you did with my friends, 10 of my friends, and I asked them how well they are recycling. And my result is here. And considering the results, the worst problem was mixing up the papers. dirty papers and clean papers go into the same bin. That was the most serious problem. So, can you find the most serious problem here? Yes, not mixing the papers. And we need some solution, right? So, what is the solution? The solution is do not mix the papers. That's it. Oh, there's one more thing. What is it? Yes, Minje, you got it. By not mixing, you can save the cleaner papers. Like this. Good, Minje. Like this, you will make your own suggestion for our recycling habit. Okay? So, what do we do first? Can you tell me? Let's check it out. Suggestions. The first one. Yes, good, Minje. Try to find the most problem using what? Yes, use the survey result in speaking, and then what? Come up with solution, best solution, and the last one, by ing. Yes, you may use by ing for what? Good one, Tae. For you can express like effect of the solution. Okay, so you will compose a suggestion writing in groups, and as all time we will assign some group roles. Yes, do you remember the 4 roles we use for writing activity all the time? Right, leaders, and what else? Writers, and who else? Right, good one, grammar master. And what is the last one? Yes, it is word master. So today, you will assign roles according to this position. So leaders, word masters, writers, grammar master. Did you understand? Good. So tell me what the leaders do. Raise your hand, leaders. Yes, you're leaders. Leaders, you will make sure every member complete the suggestion writing. Good. What about the writers? Yes, you will get your pen and you will write sentences listening to your friend's idea. Okay, good. The word master. What do you do, word masters? Find the expression. Good one, Hyunyoung. And the grammar master. This is one of your favorite one, right? Yes, Tae, what do you do as a grammar master? You're right. You will check the grammar of the written sentences. So, we have the roles and we have what to write. Are you ready to write a suggestion for better recycling? Good, everyone. Now, I will give you 10 minutes for this. How long? 10 minutes. And let just me know if you need any help. Okay? Start. Oh, good one. Okay, leaders. Okay, help them out. Oh, that's impressive. Right, group 2. How can I help you? Let me see. Who is the word master? Yes, Gahyun, you're the word master. Oh, you can refer to the dictionary. Go ahead. Did you find the expression? Oh, there are some expressions. I remember. So let's discuss about this. Do you think which one do you think is the best expression? Okay. I think you can use all 3 of them for this situation, and you can discuss which one to use because it's kind of a nuance problem, not a matter of right or wrong. Okay. So keep trying to choose best word. Go ahead. All right. Time's up. I see many of you all finished. Very close, everyone. 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. And eyes to the front. Now, did you finish? Yes, good. So, please submit your finished writing to the class blog. And now let's move on to the peer feedback. 이상입니다. 30분은 넘었는데.